How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have a Ford Transit work van, and you wish there was a way that in your instrument cluster you could see what gear your transmission's in as you're driving down the road? Or you had it on your instrument cluster and now it's gone? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to have what gear you're in displayed in your instrument cluster. Here we go. Now, there's a few different reasons why you'd like to have what gear you're in displayed on your instrument cluster. The first one, for example, is just information. In my opinion, the more information you have visible in your instrument cluster, the better. Number two, fuel efficiency. As you're cruising down the road, the faster you get in high gear, the better, if you're concerned about fuel efficiency. Especially if you're owner-operator or you're the one paying the fuel bill. And number three is if you start to have transmission problems. The more information you give your tranny tech, the better. Let's say, for instance, you're driving down the road and upshift from 3 to 4 is a little bit rough. Or you're cruising down the road and you start to decelerate to a stop sign. And the downshift bangs from, let's say, 6 to 5th. If you give that kind of information to your tranny tech, if there's a problem inside the transmission, he knows exactly where to look. Well, let's get to showing you how to get what gear you're in displayed on your instrument cluster. So you start your van, let it idle, put your foot on the brake, and put it into drive. Okay, it doesn't show anything right now. So you go down to your gear shifter, and on the side here, you see the plus and minus for when you're in manual mode. You just simply press a plus. There you go. You got all 10 speeds displayed there. So right now we're in gear 1 of 10, and as you're driving down the road, it'll go 2 of 10, 3 of 10. And now once you get this information up there, with these transmissions, don't be alarmed if you're driving down the road and it shifts from 1st to 3rd or from 3rd to 5th. It's absolutely normal for these things to skip gears. Now, if you want to get rid of that for some reason, you just press the plus again and it's gone. So you want the gear displayed, press plus. Easy as that. Well, I hope you found this video helpful and entertaining, and I definitely hope I taught somebody something and possibly saved someone a trip to the dealer to get this kind of information displayed there if you had it before and lost it somehow. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when we get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.